Hey, it's Kilby Browne with the Property Hats New York City team. Hope you are having a fantastic day. Here I am coming to you from the other side of Manhattan, in the Jersey City Heights area. Subject today, forms that a real estate agent might ask you to sign. We are talking about the New York State disclosure form. The first main disclosure form that every agent is required to ask you to sign. We're going to jump right into these forms. I'll do a little screenshot. Check it out. Have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. We'll talk soon. Bye.
Hey guys, okay, so we'll jump right into these forms real quick. If you have any specific questions, I can discuss them with you in person. So first of all is the New York State disclosure form, not a contract. It's not a binding contract. It discusses the agency relationship between the agent and the client. So you can either be a seller's agent, a buyer's agent, a broker's agent, a dual agent, or a dual agent with designated sales agents. Generally, you're going to be either a seller's agent, I would be either a seller's agent or a buyer's agent. So you come down here, you check the boxes. Pretty simple. This has been in effect for a long time in New York City. This is the same form. It's just for landlord and tenant. It goes over the descriptions of a landlord's agent, tenant's agent. This describes the agent's relationship to the client. So you're either representing the landlord or you're representing the tenant. And these forms, like I said, they've been in existence for a few years now. So these forms need to be signed before you get going. The next form is a new form. Does need to be signed. You just need to be presented at open houses, and that is the Fair Housing Notice. Then this is a new form that is effective on Saturday, which from the Division of Licensing Services is the New York State Housing Discrimination Disclosure Form. And it discusses what discrimination is, if you feel like you are discriminated against, how to file a complaint. And here's a signature that you were given this by the real estate agent. Also, nowadays, Revenue strongly suggests that we use a limitation of liability form due to COVID-19, and also a health questionnaire screening form, for coronavirus. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out, subscribe to our channel, like, comment. Barry Zetch and I say thank you very much for watching. Property Hats New York City team saying bye-bye.